This is Progressive's Bennett and Kraus DBox. On the front here you have our proprietary port, which hooks up to our console and our internal products. This is our Ethernet connection that is used for the Field Direct, and this is our RS-232 connection, which is used for Field Direct and other POS manufacturers. This is our standard front input to our DBoxes. Inside here, you'll notice there are connectors and there are jumpers. To go through the jumpers, back here is the selection. These three pieces here, these three connections, indicate whether it's going to be RS-232, the Ethernet connection called export, or our proprietary interface called the PI port. Right here is the selection between Kraus and Bennett. Right now it is set for Kraus, which is what that indicates. You switch the jumper over to this side and it will be a Bennett interface. This is where the dispensers are tied into. For Kraus you need 3 connections. For Bennett you only need 2 and 1 is not used. It is position sensitive, so this is position 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, 6, etc. all the way up to 16. The wires will come through this end here, through conduit, or however your regulations have, come in here and tie into this DBox. Here you have indicators here showing which pump it's talking to, and the transmit and receive LEDs to indicate communication. These 2 jumpers here are very important. One jumper is called an IP jumper and the other is an A jumper. The IP jumper sets the default address of this Ethernet to 192.168.0.199. It also allows you to change the ports and get in with a telnet to check on the status of the device. The A jumper is an encryption jumper. It will have this box communicate with the Field Direct in an encrypted mode over the Ethernet. You do not have the default IP jumper in while the box is communicating. It is only there for setup. So that is our Bennett and Kraus DBox.